nahan Coulomb's law dagi makha tarak point na ko ngasi tawdisna naton de pula relative permittivity hai ba kano se relative permittivity hai se kaino yingsi ko permittivity su sida loin sengdor kani dabo aina define to hai taragare textual definition mayam lei ko dabo just no de hek ai gi definition you have an exam da ko quite easy so dabo if I were to define permittivity is electric resistance to the electric field na hai gani ko do so ai electric field jam ta kan da permittive am ko revisit tar kini the hen sum sengdor kini do capacitor tak ta am ka visit tar ga am ko mai ma kong sum sengdor kini ko adi nang concept yam khang din si loi tak sam bang thum di phak ta electric field no yi ai introduce to din na but as of now Coulomb so de define tar okay ko Coulomb so de hai if you have two charges q1 and q2 if you have two charges q1 and q2 separated by q1 and q2 na hai separated by a distance r mabani mag arapam der arapado r na hai ko now assume the charges to be positive plus katan hai what will happen ande moi ani gi mark ke tholakani repulsion ko isko ne kuch paire repulsive force ina yek matam da I'll say that is capital F na hai force is value managadam ni sangus managadam error se manadar bai se managam you no yek da now and if the medium is air thambi medium is air ne hai se ko ataragadi the force of repulsion between these two charges is given by F equal to hai 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by square of the distance r square see the Coulomb so the high grade then if the same two charges are now placed in water charge kaim hong de same two charges to now they are placed in water distance between them is same ko medium to katin change so lejina to taragadi now say it's water now they are placed in water ko now the force of repulsion between the two charges will somehow reduce ko khara andar kani kitang aduna kitang ten ye ke magi vector arrow se ko right okay I'll say it's F ko this force is still given by Coulomb's law F equal to kamai ini sina F equal to 1 by 4 pi harga epsilon naught hai bi address nushita liter bina kaya ni simply epsilon tang hai kada ko ado batai di loi manari q1 q2 pi r square na hare ko ado see I na values if I give you all the values of this q1 q2 and r piram maga let's assume that you have solved the force value and it turns out to be 10 newton hazelasi ko 10 newton tare force values ado ama jitong hole hope ya bhola kan it turns out to be 5 newton tare ko now you take the ratio ani gi values nang ratio se low reba why do we take ratio ratio have no ratio ho je khangi dana ratio have ho je khangi dana ko kadobi ratio low ni say every time if I say my height is agi height the ratio of my height m hage this is my height m gi value aduga and the ratio of my height to your height y height hage agi height na 5 feet no was 5 ne has 10 ne has ko value sun mana na aduga nangi height na 5 ne has I am 10 feet I am 5 feet what do you want ko adu what is the ratio now ratio is it's nothing but divide to no hai bane adu kya ta hai 2 ta hai bane it's 2 ta hai the ratio of my height to your height is 2 what is the meaning what can you conclude sidai kai hai bi hai aigi height my height is twice your height ai tara wangi nangi manga ni wangi to aduna nangum ani ne bai ni wangi to ko my height is twice your height now ratio will give any ratio putok matam da physical quantity any ratio putok matam da amana amagi how many times to khang bangam gone you can easily find out how many times of one is equal to the other one hai ko so likewise if I take the ratio of these two forces force ki value is F ko the force in air the ratio of the force in air to the force in water asise hot matamda and if you want to solve this sige value me amslar hot ke hai taragadi mathak ke layer 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by r square na hai ko aduga makha dana keno same values ne ngai lori mathak iri me amsini 1 by 4 pi harga epsilon dang hai ko epsilon the rest is same q1 q2 by r square maths ko kamai aina karigumba 2 by 5 whole divided by 3 by 4 ni iram taragadi how can you simplify you can put the numerator as it is and flip the denominator 4 by 3 so main tawdro sab manasis tawdini ko aduna ta kisi hongandre 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught ko q1 q2 divided by r square sidi hongdre into harga ko kari hongi 4 pi khagi se mata kakhalani 4 pi epsilon hairani ko aduga r square mata kakhalani r square divided by adu q1 q2 mata ta leibise makhagi q1 q2 kumtharani sumana asai duga chap mane haibe sida tori mong si chap mane mun yengu adu kai kak khibare de sida ani se manare you can strike this out siga chalan khibare r square sa khibare kai le hobi iko gong yeng sida ure ko therefore the ratio of the force in air between the two charges to the force in water of the two same charges came at the same distance is kari permittivity of the water epsilon has a permittivity high grade when mamang gi video this high grade aduga 2 the permittivity of kari air or free space or vacuum has ko now asina high se kaino to aldi hai sida si space ai mutake ko si ka haino do mu yeng se now asina haining is kaino yeng se oi si se click to gidi yar okay the okay side last therefore force की value दी क्या ना कोई एक example दा my example दा force in air क्या ना 10 newton ने अदी सी ने air ने बा 10 है value हफ्ते लगी को खंग बन ना बा divided by 10 divided by water की value क्या ना 5 ने बा सी 5 हफ्ते ले अभी तारगदी what is the answer को कौन कोई ऐसे कनम उबा हो रहा मनी permittivity of the water by permittivity of free space or air क्या दिसी का अनी से 10 5 divide तो क्या तारे 2 ताद्रो finally the answer is 2 को अदी 2 तारे असी से ने बने permittivity लागते से right okay I hope this ko adi yung odi ngasai ki kano sida sida tariba ratio ani se side dam hapsala mu yare han hap ki khalabudi ko sida tariba si ratio ani se the ratio of the force in air the force in medium is known as relative permittivity haiduni ko haidi nei permittivity si ki symbol se sida irei ina sida irei symbol se masi kai kawi relative koi topic se relative permittivity ko se permittivity I hope you know the spelling or capital k is mostly ko aduna si ngasai coulombs law da khone coulombs constant hybrid small k ni sina capital k ni ko sida so hekta sogan mani ko ana ani symbol ani amtani symbol ni subu wadane this is called relative permittivity ko sometimes dielectric constant na hisu khoi term masida harakani ko so irake kon lakhi koi permittivity hanan nam ne rakini da kina khakai khangan ge do ko da what does if I give you the permittivity the relative permittivity of a medium what will you know from that have adubu tarai singo sida si se kai tarake si se tarak matam da nothing but number am khang ne 2 tarakidro example sida 2 du ne se tarai ba 2 se ne ba kana relative permittivity na haris se tarai 2 se asis ne kana relative permittivity epsilon r or capital K na haris kai mate yam nu na khalu nu ko aduna define to matam da textbook ka define to matam da si kamai hek define to wi si kitang mutha se swai se ko define to ko da ko oi okay textbook ka define to matam da every time conventional textbooks mein am da the ratio of the force in air or vacuum to the force in a medium medium to water or say alcohol or say milk or say any medium ko. The ratio of that two forces is known as relative permittivity. Madu to nebu kuna relative permittivity na this ko. And these are the symbol. Any symbol ni high one up tani. Or you can say it's also the ratio of the permittivity of absolute permittivity of a medium permittivity of a medium to the permittivity of free space. Permittivity of free space or air. Madugi ratio ni has the force hydrogen can take with adu mayam ding sai si pull up si mayam kai ga mani ai sai tariba 2 du ne si ta game mate ko aduna ratio unit yaudi ma number ni tai si ko absolute number ne ma whole number mane my mind unit kai yaudi now adu aina si se every time I karigumba example of the non da I know the karigumba relative permittivity ama pirame no ida ko I don't know aina relative permittivity microphone kan law is on and how we relative permittivity of a medium pyramid ba aina si 5 na harame ba meaning si kaino ido ko adu sida taru si jengu relative permittivity ai example ta 2 ta ba si kaino force to ngasai nuksita lengi da 10 ta ba do ko medium of the layer kan da 5 tarai de ba hai badi 2 times 2 sida tariba. If I say the relative permittivity is 2, it means force in the medium ko 5 so is 2 times the ko sige 2 times na air ki force pin hai 2 times the force in the medium like example of water is equal to the force in air hai if I say if it is 5 aina if I say relative permittivity is 5 na hai medium alcohol na hai se if I say the relative permittivity of alcohol is 5 na hai meaning se can hai ta 5 times for the force of two charges in alcohol is equal to 5 times the force of two charges kept in alcohol is equal to the force in the force of the two charges kept in air or vacuum. Wait vacuum the hector come to my branch no adi now see meaning si sidane hector permittivity no is the permittivity ko the kai khangal hai taragadi sorry relative permittivity kai khangan gi hai taragadi masi piram matamda you will know the value of the force ko anido amana amagi how many times tak ngam ko every time permittivity relative permittivity hai matamda magi maming jingo relative na hari se it relates the two medium medium anidugi moibanigi kana force khenabdo mada sigi number sina kyam khenai or amana amagi how many times tak pangam doine kan tai ko and it relates in a relation dai la ko relative na hari se medium anigi markta laina ba mari da tai na sigi number sina sigi relative permittivity hai posin ko so it's simply a number it has no unit it's a whole number mas number am ka tak ni ba whole number it say do the fraction da say ko adu it's a number di khango and that is permittivity and I hope you got the point. Now the luridi sida hangba yaba question se keno nuksita layer kan da charge ani gi mak lebe nuksita layer the force to adu duga medium da layer kan force handari se kai gi noid why maming gitab di permit to when high aduga 8 di I think bonya la ekte ko ana sigi kano so electric field ta kan da kado besi 100 ne koi khang kani ko as of now I hope you got the point relative permittivity ko aduna last one kram to ga hayo gi kitang sang bai video se ko do kuthana if you have any doubts I'll clarify you even more group ta hang kera or whatsapp ta hack so kai den to ro ko the kulam so e matam da ne ko kulam so e matam da f equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught yergini ko epsilon hai se epsilon naught q1 q2 by r square na hai ba asigi symbol je sigi as a whole je see we did not with a small symbol a small letter k na hai k q1 wait come to k q1 q0 samang re k q1 q2 by r square by in small k this is a small k ko aduga sigi k is capital K du khenai ko no the difference hai ba adu ding sai ai ki ta ki ba value to anka hanga lakke epsilon kahega permittivity of a medium to the permittivity of free space madu dubu khana kahegi it's known as relative permittivity epsilon r capital K so hai gibni dara ko aduna c ani je kamani formula irak padi yengo f equal to ina kari gum swai pirama ba f equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon hai pirama ba ko adi si kamai ibe yengo adu ga q1 q2 ani pirama ba now if you have two charges placed in a medium amro thambagi in epsilon iri je blue mu chuni iri ju kai desi yeng no ina ko medium du okay so mai iram ko epsilon kam to re hey adi smai iram ta I can further rewrite it kamaina 1 by 4 pi har yengo sidi yengo if you cross multiply this ko this implies epsilon hai je kai ga mane yengo epsilon equal to harga ani je cross multiply to ro ko equal to epsilon naught into epsilon r hai bi ko aduna adi sigi mohutai ne kai ni irani epsilon naught into microphone je hawi police over mal law se into epsilon r hawi he ko q1 q2 by r square man ebi ba ro be de by r square na square am wale ko mai du cd kai nong hai gre cj ina ngasai ke hai gi sigi as sigi pulap se kai ni e ko cd small k ne ko ana k hana sina bi york ne sida small k har ga makha da kai le hawi makha da epsilon r dong le hawi ko aduna si symbol me am ko thang ga sum paksin sina bi yaw bune aduna symbol do ha pet kin moni yeng k ani si khenam je kitang khangu ko adu den adam sigi k ne si capital k ne sina bi ai khangu si dek ngor ko yawi rang group thar ko da adu ni du gi daw ni lak tu si ko kanta na thar ki ba tes kanta na thar ki du group ta and I hope you will understand now ma'am khangni khale and if you have any doubts koi problem je ma'am hot kije si kak na haibana noi introduction ni se piri je problem hola kan da muk noi doubt amen tholokani clarification amen na phang kani ko anyway I'll see you in the next video je ka sange ko